Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? Take a look at this 2017 Volkswagen Passat SE in Titan Blue. With fully automatic headlights, daytime runner lights, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, with 31,276 miles on the odometer, power sunroof, smart device integration with Bluetooth audio satellite radio, rear backup camera, split folding rear seats, 1.8-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5530.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.